If you're an iPhone owner, you've likely faced issues with your charging cable at some point due to wear and tear or damage. Before investing in a new charger, try a few troubleshooting steps. First, check if the wall socket is functional by plugging the charger into a different outlet and ensure that any power switches are turned on. Test the charger with another device to rule out issues with your phone, or use a different cable to see if that resolves the problem. You can also connect the charger directly to a computer to bypass the power adapter. If your cable shows signs of wear, like a frayed plastic coating, temporary fixes like electrical tape can help. Additionally, if your phone appears unresponsive, try resetting it by pressing the home and power buttons simultaneously. If you suspect the lightning connector is damaged, you might attempt a more complex repair by carefully opening the connector, checking and soldering any loose wires, and reassembling it with glue for insulation. After these steps, your charger should ideally work again if the problem was the connector.